Quality mam kawana, a dit mambola sorry, okina boy boy. Ah, somebody sorry, I come with Tossum, somebody sorry, kina boy boy. Bayani kama bale, some kawana, but somebody sorry, kina boy boy. Tossum Santa Cabana kama bal quality yet man kawana. Bayani kama bal quality yet man kawana, but it come well sorry, okina boy.
Hi everyone, so it's beautiful morning here in Tamale and we are here at Tubani. So we'll be documenting the process of how Tubani is made here in Tamale. You know, in my previous video I showed you how Tubani is being eaten. It's very delicious. So we are just going to look at how they make it here in Tamale. So stay tuned. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and also first of all we are going to set your fire, and the fire has already been set. Come closer. The fire has already been set, and then you have to put water inside your pot, and they also add some iron rod to it so that when they put the tubani, it doesn't get stuck to the pot. So that's how it is here. And also you could see the woman has started beating it. We didn't come early, so she started beating the tubani. So this is how the process is. The bambara beans flour here. This is how it is. And then we also have the coconut flour. So this is it. And we are going. So first of all, you have to put the bambara beans inside a bowl, and you add water, and then you start beating it consistently to get that light texture before you now add your coconut to it. So before we came, she has already been beating it more than 30 minutes now. So I come to add bitter salt to the bambara beans, and then they do some.
It's like salt.
She's not putting it at once. Like she's adding small. Why is she doing that? Like she's adding it at one particular place, and she's.
Makes sense. So if you put it at once, so come to
Okay. So now she has beaten the bambara beans very well. It has become light. Now we'll be adding the flour. That's the coconut flour. Yeah, they call it banchi. It's not banchi that you think. Oh, it's not cassava. It's we added 2. So this one is how much? The flour. 20 cedis. Okay. So this one is 2 bowl. Yeah, 2 bowls. And then the bambara beans is how much? 1 bowl. And that one is how much? 60 cedis. Oh, okay. We'll roast you.
Is that?
Can I also help her to do some?
No, do some.
Yeah. Let me wash my hands. Okay, so now my turn to start. Yeah, starting work. We are showing you guys how Tubani is made here, right in Tamale. It smells so nice. I think because of the bambara beans. It smells like, I don't know, kose.
Come on, Manu. Mommy, I should.
You're still for a friend. What you get it?
So now water has been added and now okay, so we are going. The water, oh, this is the vapor. Wow. I will not use to.
Get aside.
Like this. Sorry. Okay. But some people tie it inside rubber. So she's not tying it inside rubber. I'm going to do. My hand is already clean, very clean.
One. I'm counting. 2.
My ones are small.
Okay, you do that side.
This side.
This side is right there.
This side is okay. This place is good.
That's add.
Okay.
Add. Add. Wait. Add weight. Can you put your legs on the rope?
On which one?
The rope.
Okay.
Remove your sandals.
I remember my sandals.
Me, I'm joking. I thought you can do it.
Okay. This one is better. Okay.
You see, it's easy for you.
The rest of the Tubani, and we are not adding it right now because if you add everything together, it's not going to cook well. So they want the metal they place down there to be able to let the ones down to cook very well, and later on they will not add this one. So that's how she told me. So we are waiting for it to boil and then we will add it. So it's not easy. No job is easy, let me tell you. Whatever you are doing, just pray that God put baraka in it. God should put blessing in whatever you are doing. No work. Okay. Oh. Abin.
So. Yelling, mama. Nah, that's it. Yelling, mama. Eh? Oh, yeah, my son, follow you. Then I'll put the horn. I overwhelmed that.
Abi.
Abi.
So pesa wo unsa abi a. Then you will.
I'll say.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
So, MB, well, say, a picture. This is the I was a Hondi.
I think I can
hear it. Not as I soft.
Okay.
So,
the moment of the truth is here. Where yaji?
Bungu. Your friend of Bungu na so na. Friend na mu friend Bungu. Karma bu.
the moment of the truth. I'm going to taste what we prepared today. So. Hello. This is very delicious.